Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sort of fly cars in Brookhaven. Go to the swimming pool and go to the kind of trampoline here, and you're just gonna jump as high as you can, and you are going to open up vehicle while you do that, and then you're going to keep jumping. I don't know why I'm not jumping that high. And then you're going to spawn a car while you are jumping. Let's see which one works for this. Let's try this car. Okay, let me just go higher. I think it only works for the Cybertruck, if I'm being honest. Like, look at the car. It's like in the pool. But that's the first hack that I was supposed to try. It does not work like that. So the other one is, which one is this one? What's it, this one? And then you're supposed to get a horse. And then you're supposed to ride the horse. And then you're supposed to go on this car, and then it should fly or something. But I don't know why it's not working. I think it should be with a hearse car. I don't know which one that is, but you should try it out. And that is how you can fly cars in Brookhaven. Hopefully those tips help better than mine. I'm just not the best, I guess. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.